Welcome to the Boomers Tech Show, where we show boomers how to use tech to make their lives a little easier. Hi, I'm Bertrand. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an email on your iPhone. Let's get started. From your home screen on your iPhone, you want to tap the mail icon. Then tap the compose icon at the lower right. Next, from the to field, enter the mail address. Note, after you put a letter in, all of your contacts starting with that letter will appear. If you see the one that you want, choose it by tapping on it. Next, go down to the subject field and tap in the subject. Next, in the note field, tap on the note field and put in your message. Next, tap the arrow in the upper right-hand corner to send. Congratulations, you have sent an email. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this quick tutorial, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, and comment. And we will see you in our next video.